Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Python projects in Python, and today is right now we're making the part 2 of the part 3 project 3 part 1 that we started last video. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. So it is the part 1 of this video. So in the last part we left off, we had just made all the 3 choices, what happens when you choose them, and now we're gonna add more stuff. So right, we haven't completed anything. So I was thinking of it, and I would think that it would be fun if you had NPC in the game. So interact with NPC, and we can go print. Let's start off with this line space as you try to leave a mysterious figure blocks your path. Time dot sleep. No, time dot sleep does not make you go to sleep. Okay, NPC. Greetings. Wait, no. Greetings, traveler. I have a question for you. Time dot sleep one. Print. NPC. I need a rare gemstone from the caves nearby. Print. NPC. Bring me the gemstone and I will reward you. And I will reward you. Okay, that sounds good. Nice. Time that sleep one. And now we can go response equals to input. Will you accept this quest? There we go. If the response dot lower, the rest of this lowercase, is equal to yes, no wait, yes. And then print NPC. Thank you. Good luck on your quest. Print NPC. Perhaps another time. Okay, so that will be it for the NPC interaction. And let's go and define the main. No, we're coming to a close. So player underscore name is equals to introduction. Time dot sleep one. Game running is equals to true. And while the game running, we have to play the game while it's running, right? So the choice is equals to choose underscore action. What is function name. We didn't do choose action, so it's just action. Okay. The choice is equals to the action. Perform action is equals no, perform action the choice. We have to here there. Time dot sleep to interact with NPC. Play again is equals to input. So, do you want to continue? Yes. No. If play again dot lower to yes, then let's see. Game. We don't have another part, so it's set to false. So print. Okay. Thanks for playing. Alright. And there we go. If underscore name underscore 6262 underscore main underscore main. There we go. Alright. So we have completed. Oops. So we've completed the RPG game now, and let's start. Now, as you can see, the time.sleep has what? The time.sleep, as you can see, it says welcome to the game. Time.sleep 1. It says enter name. So if I say like knowledge robo, look in a mysterious place. See the doors in front of you. What do you do? So this time.sleep basically creates this slow. It just stops. The code just stops in its tracks. It stops. It doesn't forget anything. It doesn't stop doing anything. It does stop doing everything. Like, you know, it just doesn't continue. And then as soon as the time is over, it goes. So enter my choice. Second door. You open the second door. Find a treasure chest. Oh, hello. There. Okay, I don't know what happened, but congratulations, you open the treasure chest. You open the chest slowly and find that it's filled with gold coins. Congratulations, you found treasure. As you try to leave, a mysterious figure blocks your path. Then we have the NPC interaction. Greetings, traveler. I have a question for you. I need rare gemstone from the caves nearby. Oh, what? Go down. That is not one of the answers. I will accept this quest. Thank you, good luck on your quest. Yes. Thanks for playing by. Okay, let's go again. I don't know. Pencil. Let's go for a pencil. You're in a mysterious place. You see that there's doors in front of you. This time I'm gonna go for the first house. You open the find the dark room. You defeat. Okay, I actually defeat the monster. No way. Now this is getting a bit too fast. So the interaction. So what I'll do is with the interaction, I'll go ahead and instead of waiting. I'll wait 3 seconds per interaction. There we go. Okay, wait. It's kind of laggy. Stop. There we go. Fresh. Who did enter name? My name is Kay. Hello, Kay. I want to go to the first room. Please, please, please. You defeat the monster. Okay, nice. It shows up and turns into a key. As you try to leave a mysterious figure blocks your path. Chris Traveler, I have a question for you. Anyway, there's some keys nearby. Bring me the gems and I will reward you. Do you accept this quest? Yes, I do. You have to continue? No. Actually, so what happens now is that it's restarting the game, even though I said no, which makes no sense. And so no. Oh, what? No. What's your name? Okay. Come on, go faster. Oh god, what? No. Yes. I opened the third door. Crystal descent stairs. You find yourself in a room of artifacts. It is collected artifacts. You've collected artifacts because for you. Yeah, so this is basically the smaller structure of an RPG game. You guys can edit this wherever you want, however you want. You guys can add stuff, take away stuff. I don't know. It's your project after this. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Until then, oh, what? Help! Help!